Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got an unboxing video to share with you and it's a limited edition beauty box from Cult Beauty and this is the Skindie edit. So the cost of this box is £35. It contains 7 products, 4 of them are full size and it has a value of over £95. All links and extra information related to this box I'll pop down below in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. Now there's no card in here giving extra information, but if you're interested in learning a little bit more about these products in detail, I will seek them out on the Cult Beauty website and I'll list them down in my description. So the first item then is by a brand called Galliné. This is a face vinegar which tones, soothes and brightens with prebiotics and postbiotics, and there's 200 mils here. The reason I went for this box, because I love seeking out new brands, new products to try, especially as there's one item in here, which I have heard before. It's a Korean skincare brand, Laneige, but the sleeping mask is quite, it's quite well known. So I've got like the full size now, so I'm able to try it for myself. I just love the fact that they've got a box full of beauty products that are new, maybe up and coming beauty brands that I've never heard of, never tried, etc. So that is what appealed to me. It says bring your skin to life, made in France, enriched with purifying hibiscus vinegar and balancing prebiotics. This gentle lotion evens out your complexion. The result is smaller looking pores and soothed, refreshed skin. Apply to a cotton pad and sweep over your face morning and night after cleansing and avoid your eye area. Want to sniff it? I know it's a liquid, not going to see anything, but it literally smells like vinegar. It smells like vinegar. What is it? Hibiscus vinegar. Just smells like normal fish and chip vinegar. Okay, not strong. If any of you have tried any of these products, please let me know down below what you think of them. But yeah, got a face vinegar there. Now onto the Laneige. This is from the Sleepingkia range. This is a lip sleeping mask for all skin types and there's 20 grams. Oh look, I know it's excessive, I know, but it's got its own little pouch. Oh my gosh, how gorgeous is that? Look how cute is that? A little lip spatula. Oh, in its own little envelope type pouch. It smells amazing. Oh, it smells amazing. It smells of strawberries. Oh, yeah, that is gorgeous. The writing is extremely small. Oh, I can read this. Wake up to baby soft lips. This nourishing overnight lip mask is enriched with berry mix complex to leave lips soft and smooth. Here you go. So we've got a lip mask and a little brush. So there's that. Next we've got a face mask and this is from Youth to the People Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask. Maca and vitamin C, squalene, hyaluronic acid. It's an overnight mask. There's packaging there. I have to be careful at the moment what I'm using. You might already have guessed that my eyebrows are looking extremely dark at the moment. I had my brows microbladed 6 weeks ago and then I went back yesterday for my top up. I'm not really supposed to put makeup on my face, but I've been very good and tried to just go around my eyebrows. So masks and things like that I'm gonna steer clear for the next couple of weeks. That's what that packaging looks like there. 100% vegan and cruelty free, made in California, cold press extracts for all skin types. This creamy overnight mask is the ultimate hydrating radiance treatment. Powered by antioxidant rich super berries, squalene and vitamin C, this mask works throughout the night to revive dehydrated skin for a softer, more youthful looking complexion by morning. Ooh, it just looks like banana ice cream. Look at that. No scent. It's got a face mask. Next, we've got a turmeric and vitamin C booster eye cream to brighten and hydrate. There's 15 mils here and it's by the brand Sweet Chef. It says this lightweight eye cream brightens and hydrates under eyes with turmeric, vitamin C, probiotics and niacinamide. After cleansing and before serum, gently pat a pea-sized amount on the entire orbital eye area using the ring finger until fully absorbed. Sweet Chef is cooking up vegan, nutrient-rich skincare to freshly boost your skin's vitality and deliver a healthy radiance. Cream, just try a little bit on my hand. I've actually got quite a lot of eye creams at the moment, so I'm not going to be using this for a while. Oh, it does feel amazing though. Oh, it feels so smooth. Oh, see, this is what happens. This is what happens. I start using an eye cream, or any product for that matter. I start using it and then I think, right, okay, I'm not going to go on to something else until I finish what I'm using. And then something better comes along and I'm like, oh, I want to try that as well. But anyway, so I got an eye cream there. Next I got a product by Keys. This is Keys Soulcare Comforting Balm. Rose of Jericho and camellia seed oil. And there's 7.5 grams here. Okay. Developed in partnership with a board-certified dermatologist, this multi-use balm can be used on lips, elbows, cuticles or any dry areas. Petroleum-free and powered by desert rose and nourishing butters and oils, this vanilla-infused balm soothes, smooths, hydrates and protects from head to toe. Do you hate it when packaging has stickers? Little seals. Oh, I understand why they're there, obviously. But it's just so annoying. It's so annoying. Packaging looks like this. It's a multitasking balm. Okay. Oh, it smells absolutely delicious. Oh, vanilla. Oh, it smells so nice, yeah. Oh, that'd be lovely. Let's put some on my cuticles. I'll do the rest. I'll put that actually by the side of my bed. It's got a multitasking balm. Next I got a product by Ultraviolet, and this is SPF 50+, and this is a Supreme Screen Hydrating UVA and UVB broad spectrum SPF, and there's 15 mils here. I always get excited with an SPF. Oh, how's this work then? Oh, I thought it was an actual lid. It's not. You twist it to open. You see? You twist it to release. Oh, it's nice. It feels really nice. It's not leaving like a cast on my hand, at least. No scent, no scent. It's really lightweight. Oh, am I opening up again? Yes, I am. How do I shut it? Look, I'm getting more out. Oh, I don't want to waste it. It's only little. I don't want to waste it. Right, there. Look. Oh, it's nearly night. I'm not going out anywhere. What a waste. Imagine putting that in my bag and I don't know, it just slightly like twists and it goes all over everything in my bag. I can't wait to see what that's like on top of skincare and under makeup. Yeah, I really do like it. It feels amazing on my skin and it's really lightweight, which is perfect, which is what I like in an SPF. So there's that. And then lastly, we got something which I'm a little bit nervous about. I have had this box for a few days. I haven't opened anything up and had like a sniff or a try or anything like that, so I wanted to wait for this video. But this is the item that I was a little bit like, okay, and mainly because it contains rose and I don't like the rose scent. This is Heritage Store Rose Petals Rose Water. Now, rose water is amazing for your skin. It is amazing for your skin, so I'm thinking like that. I'm not thinking of a scented product. I'm thinking of the benefits for my skin. Aromatherapy mist body splash from European Roses, 237 mils, so a full size bottle there. So what exactly are you? Apply to face and body, use as a perfume, body splash, body splash, or add to your hair rinse or bath water. You can also combine with facial masks, therapeutic oils or creams to make your own complexion formula. So it's a multitasking rose water spray. Yes, very strong smell, rose. Oh, it feels so nice though. Let's spray it on my face. Oh, Oh, I love it. I love it. Although maybe I shouldn't have put that on with my brows. I love the feel of it. Don't like the smell. It's not strong, but it's a big hefty bottle, so I might mix it in with masks and things like that, as it says on the back here. I don't know. I'm a little bit gutted, but I am a bit fussy, aren't I? So those are all the products inside the Cult Beauty Skindie Edit box. So I'll just go through them, doing a bit of a recap. We've got a face vinegar by Gallinée. We've got a lip sleeping mask by Laneige. We've got a turmeric and vitamin C eye cream by Sweet Chef. We've got a comforting multitasking balm by Keys Soulcare. We've got a face mask by Youth to the People. We've got an SPF 50 cream by Ultraviolet. And lastly, Heritage Store Rose Petal Rosewater Spray for face and body. I'm really happy with this box. There's some lovely items in there. I can't wait to try. I might actually gift the rose spray to a friend because it seems like a really nice product, but I'm not really sure how I would use it or how often I would use it. So yeah, so besides that, I'm thinking of everything else on the whole. Yeah, I am really chuffed with this box, but as always, I'd love to know what you think. Did you buy this box for yourself, or did you think, nah, it's not a box for me? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.